Hello, welcome to the Vintage and Classic Metalwork channel. This is Tuesday's 2-minute tool review, and the tool we are going to review this week is the plasma cutter from Rtech. We've recently purchased this for the console job, so we're going to give you a little honest review. Okay, so this model is the P30C. They have literally just brought out the 31C, and all that there is different from what I can gather is the regulator is now inside. You do get some consumables with this one, the tip, the electrode, the cup and the gas distributor, but on the new one you do get a package worth £70 and you have loads of consumables there. You do get your standard earth clamp and your torch. On first thoughts, the torch is it feels a bit plasticky, flimsy, but it really doesn't affect any of the performance of the machine. On there you do have your little current adjuster there, your PSI reader, your digital readout and your little gas testing before you start cutting. Okay, so that's it from this machine. It's cut 1mm rusty steel, 1mm clean steel, 6mm aluminium, 8mm plate and 10mm bar. It's done it all very well and very happy with it, so it gets a thumbs up from us. It's going to save you time and money in the long run. It's about 450 quid, so it is an investment, but if you're doing this on a daily basis, well worth the money. So yeah, it gets a thumbs up from us. If you want to see this machine in more detail, go check out Double Boost. Got an amazing channel and he does a really in-depth review on this machine. And that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.